I saw Apple stuff on ASRock's website. Somebody might get fired. What's up guys, this is Pratt and I am back with another video. So as you know, we talk about gaming, videography and technology, right? So for this video, I'm going to be talking about a bit of technology. I love researching different products that are on the market. It's a habit of mine to just go on a website, look at a new motherboard or what type of motherboards are out there, what type of graphic cards are out there. What type of graphics card, RAM, you know the usual, the type, whatever specs, whatever hardware is out there, right? So this particular night I was on the ASRock website. I was looking at motherboards, just browsing around. So I happened to scroll to a page, checking out a few of the motherboards that they have, and I'm scrolling through the carousel of the website and I get to this page. Now this page had something about some Aqua, I think that's the line of the motherboards, right? The Aqua series. So I clicked on the carousel and it brought me straight to the page that is featuring the Aqua series, right? Now, up in the top section of the carousel, or up in the carousel where you would see like the images slide through and little skip through, right? I happened to see a video, or like glimpses or parts of a video that doesn't look like it belongs there, but I'm still watching, right? So I can't see the video, I can't see the entire video at one go. So what I have to do is like skip between the different images in the carousel, like go back and forth, and then while I'm doing that, I can see like the video, more and more of the video playing out, right? So I say, oh, what this now? Yeah, so I'm flipping through the carousel, right? And I'm seeing the video play out more and more, and then the first thing I thought to myself was that, why does this look like a factory? Why does this look like a factory making trash cans? And why does this look like a factory making trash cans that look like the Apple Mac Pro a couple years back, the trash can Mac Pro, right? So I did it and watch the video and watch it. And I said, no man, something is not right here. Just for research sake, just to verify that I'm seeing what I'm actually seeing, I actually go on to YouTube. So I'm going to go on to YouTube because I want to verify what I'm seeing, right? I want to verify what I'm seeing. I don't want to jump to conclusion and assume that ASRock has Apple's content on their website, right? So I do some research, jump on YouTube, type in trash can manufacturing, just to find like just to type in like an overall heading, forget like any possible video out there, and lo and behold, guess which video I find? I find the same video, the same trash can manufacturing video on YouTube, and when I start to compare them, it's basically the same video on the ASRock website. So I'm wondering now, how this happen? Is this even is this legal? Well, maybe it's legal, I don't know. So that's why I wonder, you know, because to me that would have looked like some form of copywriting or some form of fraud thing. I don't think MSI could use like Apple's content on their website, or Gigabyte using Dell's marketing clip on their, like, I don't know. I don't know, but I saw it and I figured that maybe I should make a video and put it out there. Now, to be honest, the first time I saw it was a few months ago. I'm gonna go back and check recently and look again. It's still there, but the clip isn't playing as long as it was the first time. But yeah, like ASRock has Apple stuff on their website. So me, I wanna know if it is that someone cheap out the thing, or someone got lazy and just threw something on there, or what? Is it ASRock with Apple inside, or ASApple or something? Maybe somebody from ASRock in a problem. Maybe somebody from ASRock shouldn't have done that, or maybe I don't know. But it was just weird. Somebody decides I'm gonna just put it out there. So I'm gonna leave the link so you guys can look and comment and tell me what you think, if this is something that's regular, or if I'm the one blowing it out of proportion, or if ASRock is ripping off Apple. Yeah, but anyway, you know the usual. Hit the like button if you like the video. You can hit the dislike button if you want, but YouTube won't show it. So big up yourself. Comment on what you think about this video. Comment if you think this is a usual thing, or if ASRock is ripping off Apple, or if somebody at ASRock is going to be in problems for this. You know? Yeah. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because it helps the channel a lot. I'm trying to grow the channel here, right? And hit the notification bell so you will see whenever I post anything else on this channel. Alright folks, so there you go. I saw Apple stuff on ASRock's website. Somebody might get fired. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Am I like exiting that?